Stop, swap, and spray. Chapin's Mixes on Exit Clean Tank Revolution has come to its industry-leading line of backpack sprayers. Mixing and spraying fertilizer, herbicides, and pesticides makes a lot of waste. No more. Mixes on Exit adds the concentrate as you spray, from 1 to 10 ounces per gallon, eliminating all of those wasted premixed chemicals. And keeping the concentrate separate from the water allows for fast and easy changeouts. Swapping your fertilizer for weed killer and back again is simple and hassle-free. Plus, you can keep and store multiple concentrate tanks for later use. All of this while your water tank remains clean and chemical-free. Setting up your Mixes on Exit backpack sprayer is easy. Fill the concentrate tank. Fill the water tank. Attach the concentrate tank and set the dial for the correct concentration, and you're ready to spray. The Mixes on Exit backpack sprayer comes with a 4-gallon water tank and 2 40-ounce concentrate tanks. And Mixes on Exit gives you greater control when spraying. A simple knob control lets you dial in the exact amount of concentrate needed for your application, from 1 to 10 ounces per gallon. The Comfort Grip Poly Shutoff has a lock-on feature for ease of use, and an 18-inch poly wand extends your reach. 3 nozzles increase your level of control. Brass and poly nozzles adjust from wide to narrow streams, and a fan nozzle helps cover broad areas. When you're done, the wand stores easily on the carry handle cap. And with no chemicals in your water, the main tank can be emptied without worry. Go the distance with less waste, more versatility, and reduced exposure to harmful chemicals. Mixes on Exit, the clean tank spraying system from Chapin.